children. My name is Teacher Jen, and our story for today is all about the lamb and the wolf. So are you ready to hear the story about the lamb and the wolf? Okay, so let's start. A lamb was grazing with a flock of sheep one day. She soon found some sweet grass at the edge of the field. Farther and farther, she went away from the others. She was enjoying herself so much that she did not notice a wolf coming nearer to her. However, when it pounced on her, she was quick to start pleading. "Please, don't eat me yet. My stomach is full of grass. If you wait for a while, I will taste much better," said the lamb. The wolf thought that was a good idea, so he sat down and waited. After a while, the lamb said, if you allow me to dance, the grass in my stomach will be digested faster." Again, the wolf agreed. While the lamb was dancing, she had a new idea. Ding! The lamb said, "Please take the bell around my neck. If you ring it as hard as you can, I will be able to dance even faster," said the lamb. The wolf took the bell and rang it as hard as he could. The shepherd heard the bell ringing and quickly sent his dog to find the missing lamb. The barking dogs frightened the wolf away and saved the lamb's life. So that was the story about the wolf and the lamb. So now I have some question, and all you need to do is to answer my question. Or you just raise your hand if you want to answer my question. So let's start. Question number 1. Who are the characters of the story? Yes? Very good. The lamb and the wolf. While the lamb was enjoying herself so much, what did he did not notice coming nearer to her? Yes? That's right, the wolf. What did the lamb do in order for her not to be eaten by the wolf? Yes, very good. He pleaded to the wolf and said, her stomach is full of grass, and if he waited, the grass in her stomach will be digested far faster. Next, while the lamb was dancing, she had a new idea. What is that idea? Yes, very good. She said to the wolf that if he would take the bell from his neck or her neck, he will dance even faster. Next, what happened when the bell or the wolf rang the bell? So the shepherd heard the bell ringing, and then what did the shepherd do? Very good. He sent a dog. How many dogs? Very good. 2 dogs.